Hi everyone, this video is about me growing mushrooms for the first time. Watch what happens. This is a box that I got and you got to take the stuff out. Watch what I do. It's a kit and it comes with a little bottle and it's a spray bottle. So you got to take the the package out, split it, put two diagonal cuts on it, soak it in water, and then you put it back in the box. So I put it back in the box, and you cover it back up, and you leave it there. And I start count down the days. Nothing happening here. Nothing. Day 4, nothing. Day 5, I see some little beads, like eyes, black little things. And you gotta spritz it twice a day, I put it in the window most days to get some light, in the kitchen. Day 6. Now I see the beads are getting bigger. The little eyes looking thing, little round balls. They look like eyes looking out at you. Ha! Ta-da! Look what we have here. We have mushrooms. And these are oyster mushrooms. And man, they got so big that the box was toppling over constantly. Had to rest it on the back sometimes. So I decided that it's eating day. It's Christmas Day, and I decided we're going to have them today. So that's what we did. I cut them up, put them in a container. Cut off what's not necessary, the little bottoms, the stem part, and had it with my Christmas dinner. Delicious. It was delicious. Loved it. Definitely will do this again. I'll put a link below where I got this this kit. It's a kit. It's very easy to do. So I set it back up and put it back again, and to do the other side. And these are what I'm gonna show you coming up. I did the meat video, the beef video, the roast beef, and now I have these purple potatoes from Japan that I'm growing inside. Put them in water. I'm gonna do a video. All of these are coming videos. I'm gonna show you what's going on with that. And I bought a new greenhouse, a little one, but it's good enough for now. So I'll show you that, what's going on inside of my greenhouse. Happy New Year, everyone. Thanks for watching. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Trying to get to 7,000. Okay? Thanks a lot for watching.